Hi guys, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're comparing two high-end smartphones, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Vivo X100 Pro. Both devices pack impressive features and capabilities, making them strong contenders in the market. If you're interested in either of these smartphones, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's jump into the video. Starting with display quality. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra features a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a stunning resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, delivering an exceptionally sharp and vibrant 522 pixels per inch. It supports a dynamic refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals whether you're gaming or just scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, this screen remains highly visible even in bright outdoor conditions. On the other hand, the Vivo X100 Pro sports a slightly larger 6.78-inch screen with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels. It also offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth motion across all activities. What really stands out is its maximum brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility in all lighting environments. When it comes to picture quality and resolution, both smartphones shine. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra's higher resolution and pixel density offer exceptionally sharp and vibrant visuals. Meanwhile, the Vivo X100 Pro, although slightly lower in resolution, still delivers excellent clarity and color accuracy, making it perfect for gaming and streaming content. Next, let's talk about camera quality. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a versatile camera setup, including a primary sensor that excels in clarity and detail. It offers flexible shooting modes with Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic color profiles for different aesthetics. The variable aperture and advanced HDR processing enhance its photographic capabilities, even though it slightly lags in HDR performance compared to some competitors. In comparison, the Vivo X100 Pro features 350-megapixel cameras, a main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. This setup ensures bright, bold pictures with a variety of features like zoom capabilities from 0.6x to 100x, astrophotography, and macro modes. The camera performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, and the plethora of features in the camera app provide a versatile and enjoyable photography experience. In terms of construction, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra impresses with its curved glass design and aluminum frame, utilizing Xiaomi's proprietary shield glass for enhanced durability. This construction offers both aesthetic appeal and robustness, especially noticeable during accidental drops. Similarly, the Vivo X100 Pro features a sleek design with slightly curved display edges, enhancing comfort and usability. It also boasts IP68 protection, safeguarding it against water and dust. However, the prominent camera bump might be cumbersome for some users. Now, let's look at battery life. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery supporting 90 watts wired charging and 80W wireless charging, ensuring quick recharge times and prolonged usage without frequent charging. The Vivo X100 Pro comes with a larger 5400 mAh battery, supporting 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. It also offers reverse wired charging, which is useful for powering other devices on the go. Regarding performance, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's processor details are not explicitly mentioned, but it's implied to deliver high performance for demanding tasks and applications. The Vivo X100 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 9300 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This combination ensures smooth performance across various demanding applications, with a Geekbench 6 multi-core score of 7,292, indicating superior performance in its class. Finally, let's talk about additional features. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra includes advanced connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Global Sub-6 5G bands. It also features USB-C 3.2 with DisplayPort for external display connectivity and a reliable optical fingerprint scanner. The Vivo X100 Pro lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a downside for some users. However, it supports Bluetooth 5.4 and offers dual speakers for audio output. The extensive customization options and feature-rich Funuch OS enhance the overall user experience. In conclusion, both the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Vivo X100 Pro are formidable flagship smartphones with their own strengths. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra excels in display quality and camera versatility, while the Vivo X100 Pro offers superior battery life, powerful performance, and an extensive feature set. The choice between the two will largely depend on specific user preferences regarding display sharpness, camera functionality, and overall design. So here is a comparison between Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Vivo X100 Pro. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.